Hello, children. I am your teacher, Reg. Are you ready to learn mathematics?
Yes.
Very good. Today, we're going to talk about addition. How to add two numbers easily. We have here an example. 3 plus 2 equals. First, we have to find the bigger number, which is 3. We're going to use our two fingers to combine 3 and 2 together. Alright, let's start. 3, 4, and 5. That means 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's have another example. 6 plus 2 equals. Again, let's find the bigger number, which is 6. We're going to use two balls. Let's start. 6, 7, 8. So the answer of 6 plus 2 is 8. Very good. Now, it's your turn to do the activity. You have 10 seconds to answer. The timer starts now. Alright, time is up. It's time to answer. Now we have to find the bigger number, which is 4. We have here 3 flowers. To combine 4 and 3 together. 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Time's up. Now let's find the bigger number. It's 5. Let's count. 5 and 6. The answer is 6. Time's up. Let's answer 3 plus 7. 7 is the bigger number. Let's use 3 cards to answer. 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. Good job, children. I hope you are learning. If you find this video easy, please do subscribe and share it to your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching. See you to my next video.